Country living within minutes to the sandy white beaches. The mobile home is 2005 manufactured home with Window World windows that have a transferred lifetime warranty. They are hurricane proof with up to Cat 3 hurricane. The metal roof is only 3 years old. The plumbing fitting have been replaced. The metal building is 25 by 30 and has poured concrete foundation. It also has a 220/40 amp box. The mobile homes comes furnished with dishwasher, stove and 2 refrigerators. New steps have been added to the front of the home. The central heating is a Mitsubishi Electric Split style cooling system. It is controlled in each room. There is also a dehumidifier in the home.